Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, is a powerful library in Python for working with human language data. Below is an informative tutorial on how to download and get started with NLTK in Python, along with some code examples. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install NLTK using the following steps. Once NLTK is installed, you can start using it in your Python scripts or Jupyter Notebooks. Let's walk through some basic examples. NLTK provides various datasets and resources that you might need for different natural language processing tasks. To download all the data, you can use. If you prefer to download specific datasets, you can replace all with the dataset names, such as punct, stopwords, etc. Tokenization is the process of breaking text into words, phrases, symbols, or other meaningful elements. NLTK provides a convenient method for tokenization. Stopwords are common words that often do not carry much meaning. NLTK provides a list of common stopwords, and you can remove them from your text. Stemming is the process of reducing words to their base or root form. NLTK provides different stemming algorithms. Here's an example using the Porter stemmer. NLTK is a versatile library that provides tools for various natural language processing tasks. In this tutorial, you've learned how to install NLTK, download datasets, and perform basic text processing tasks like tokenization, stopwords removal, and stemming. Feel free to explore more features and functionalities provided by NLTK for your specific NLP needs. ChatGPT.